Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about the integer. Okay, so I explain first the sign. Yeah, if your sign is positive and positive, your sign will change to positive. If your sign is positive and positive, is remain positive. If your sign is positive, positive, negative, so it will change to negative. Negative and positive, we will change to negative. All right, okay, let's start. Okay, so I like to use a concept money here. If you see the sign negative, that means you owe money. Okay, if you see a plus sign, that means you earn, or you can put cash in hand, right? Cash in hand. Okay, for example, let's say I give you -3 plus 7. That means you owe me $3 and you have cash in hand $7. So after you pay me $3, you will have 4. You still have cash in hand 4. So you put positive 4. Alright? Okay, you use this concept, okay? Alright, let's say I give you positive 10 and negative 7. Okay, so that means you have cash in hand $10 and you owe me $7. So you have to pay me $7, but you still have cash in hand $3. Okay, okay. Next question. Let's say I give you 13, negative 13 plus 20. Okay, so you owe me $13, but you have cash in hand $20. So after you pay me, you still have $7 cash in hand. Okay, all right, next you use this concept. Okay, inshallah easy for you to understand about integer. All right, now let's say I give you negative 25 plus 13. Okay, so you owe me $25, but you have cash in hand right now, you have $13. So you have to pay me, right? So after you pay me, you still have cash in hand or you still owe me? Okay, let's see. Let's check, okay? So you still have a negative 12, correct? Okay, because 25 you minus 13, you will have 12. But you see, the negative signs, the number is more bigger than 13. So you still owe me $12. Alright? So next, let's say I give you negative 4 plus 3. You owe me $4, but you have cash in hand right now, you have $3. So that means your balance now, you owe me $1. Okay, how about this kind of questions? Negative 4, negative 4. All right. So you owe me $4 and you owe me $4. So you will have 8, right? Negative 8. Negative 5 and negative 6. So you owe me $5 and after that you owe me again $6. So you will have total now is negative 16. Negative 11. Okay? So let's say I give you negative 6, negative 6. Now check the sign. Remember, plus minus is a minus, plus minus is a minus, plus and plus you will be plus also. So negative you will be positive. So check here, negative, so here will be positive 6, negative 6. Now you owe me $6 and then you have cash in hand right now $6. So you pay me, right? So now your cash in hand right now 0. Okay, next You have negative 10, negative 5. Okay, so you owe me now is negative 10. See the sign first, negative, 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 change to positive 5. You owe me $10, but you have cash in hand right now is $5. So that means balance is 5, right? See, which one is the biggest one? Negative, right? You still owe me $5. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of the integer. So please subscribe my channel and I will upload more video about mathematics inshallah. Assalamualaikum.